So today's AI news is absolutely bonkers. I mean, AI designed viruses that kill E. coli?
Yeah, that one floored me. 16 viruses built by a generative model, just casually wiping out bacteria in the lab.
It's like we handed a scalpel to a computer and said, go do science. But it also feels like sci-fi, right?
Exactly. Powerful and terrifying. Like, what if the model makes a mistake and creates something worse?
Totally. The safety side is lagging behind the breakthroughs. We're playing catch up.
And speaking of catch-up, GE Vernova is crushing it. AI data centers turned it into Wall Street's darling.
Infrastructure is the new oil, huh? Whoever builds the AI pipelines wins the game.
Meanwhile, YouTube just gave everyone a Hollywood studio. Veo AI is letting people make shorts with text prompts.
The stuff going viral already? Hilarious. Also, terrifyingly good. Makes me wonder how long before we can't tell human from AI-made content.
On that note, did you see LinkedIn's secret sauce? Training AI on our profiles without telling us.
Oof, classic. Oops, we did it again moment. But also, those smarter job matches might just work better.
Then you've got California stepping in with the deepfake ban for political ads. Finally, some regulation with teeth.
Yeah, one small step for California. One giant uh-oh for shady campaigners.
And then Alibaba's move, 100 open source models released. That's like throwing jet fuel on the global AI race.
Yeah, it's generous. Or strategic. You flood the world with your tech. Everyone builds on your platform.
Then there's the wild side. Foo Fighters debuting their drummer via AI video.
That was hilarious. Like AI-generated chaos with drumsticks. I laughed way too hard.
And Stallone, wants to make a young Rambo with AI. Bro, let Rambo retire.
No one retires in Hollywood anymore. They just get younger, artificially.
But topping it all, Trampoline Bunnies. AI created, viral, and completely adorable.
We've gone from bacteria killers to bunny memes in one news cycle.
Makes you wonder, are we steering this ship or just passengers on an AI roller coaster?
That's the question, isn't it? Who's really in